How to turn on auto brightness on iPhone. So all you have to do here is to go to your settings. Now here on settings, of course, it will lead you here. Now the next thing that you want to do is to scroll down up until you see accessibility. Accessibility there, it's actually under, you will see accessibility. It's under home screen and above wallpaper. Tap on that. And then the next thing that you want to do is here you may want to go here to your vision section. The first section there, you will see voiceover, zoom, display and text size, motion, spoken content, and then audio descriptions. Tap on display and text size. Now here in your text size, what you want to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see auto brightness. Now as you can see, it is currently toggled off. Now if you toggle that on, you have now turned on auto brightness, which you have now turned on the auto brightness on your iPhone. And basically that is how you turn on auto brightness on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.